Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, now our photo editing part is completed, and now we are starting a new phase in our course, and which is called text editing course. This is also a very interesting course. You can uh, increase the beauty of your image or your design by text editing in Canva. So let's get started, and here I search like YouTube thumbnail, and in today's video I will teach you how you can apply a gradient effect in your text. So it has two or three ways, so let's see. Let's first of all let's talk about the first way, and I go to elements, and here I search gradients, and you can see there are different gradients. So I click on this one, but it not give me the authority to change the color. So I select this one. No. Yeah, this will give me the authority to change the color. So that's good. And after that, and that's it. After that, I click on the text, and here I search gradient and increase the size and change the color white, and increase the opacity. And after that, click both images. So that's it. After that, we have to download the image. Download. It is downloading. Wait for some seconds. So I download it on desktop, and that's it. After that, I delete the image, the background, and all thing. And after that, I go to upload sections, photos, uh, I go to my desktop, and here I download this file, and after that I drag this file and place it here, and uh, click on this edit image and remove the background. So the background is removing. Wait for some seconds, and that's it. After that, again click on edit image and saturation to 100. So that gradient is applied on our text, and now we can use this anywhere, like design, and Control Z. I press Control Z, and that's it. Go to background and select a background like this one. And that's it. So as you can see, our gradient is applied on our text. So in this way you can apply the gradient on text, and I hope this video is very interesting for you and helpful for you. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.